Welcome to AP Television. In today's episode of Economics Basics, Personal Finance, we're going to explore the concept of credit or borrowing. From credit scores to credit cards, understanding the costs and benefits of credit is crucial for managing your financial future. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about credit scores, which reflect how well you manage credit. Credit scores range from 300 to 850 and are divided into four main categories. Poor, 379. This score may prevent you from qualifying for most loans. Fair, 569. This is below average, but you may still qualify for some loans with higher interest rates. Good, 67 to 739. With this score, you'll likely qualify for loans with favorable terms. Excellent, 74 to 850. A great score, qualifying you for the best loan terms and lower interest rates. When using a credit card, it's important to be aware of the potential fees. Here are three common ones. Annual fee. Some credit cards charge a yearly fee just for owning the card. Late payment fee. If you don't pay your credit card bill on time, you'll likely incur a fee. Cash advance fee. If you withdraw cash using your credit card, you may be charged an extra fee, often in addition to higher interest rates. Interest is charged when you don't pay off your full credit card balance by the due date. The card issuer charges a percentage of your unpaid balance, called the interest rate, which is added to what you owe. To avoid paying interest, always try to pay your balance in full each month. Credit cards offer both benefits and drawbacks. Here are two pros and two cons to consider. Pros 1. Convenience. Credit cards allow you to make purchases now and pay later, which can be helpful in emergencies. 2. Building credit. Responsible use of a credit card can help improve your credit score, leading to better loan terms in the future. Cons. 1. High interest rates. If you carry a balance from month to month, the interest charges can add up quickly, making it harder to pay off your debt. 2. Debt accumulation. It's easy to overspend with a credit card, leading to more debt than you can manage. People receive credit when they use someone else's money to purchase goods or services. In return, they promise to repay the loan, plus additional money called interest. Common types of credit include mortgage loans, car loans, student loans, and of course, credit cards. Using credit comes with both benefits and costs. Benefits include acquiring assets that increase your net worth and the ability to manage emergency purchases. Costs include paying interest and fees and the potential to reduce your future spending power. Before extending credit, lenders consider the 3 C's of creditworthiness. 1. Capacity, your ability to repay the loan. 2. Character, your reliability and history of paying debts. 3. Collateral, assets you own that can be sold to pay off the loan if necessary. Credit is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can help you achieve financial goals. But remember, it comes with responsibilities. Understanding how credit works, how fees and interest can affect you, and balancing the pros and cons will help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on AP Television.